Hello, Goodlettsville Middle 5th grade. Happy Friday, or whenever you are watching this, happy day. Definitely a very funky location for me today. Because of the storms headed our way, Dr. Demps asked us if we felt comfortable to go home and spend the rest of Friday working from home. So here I am at home in my office. Looks a little different than our classroom, sounds very different. There's a lot of echo here, so I'm sorry. But here we go. Today is our last day in our Turn It Up series about volume. I'm so excited. We will have some review today. And then on Monday, we will start a new unit. I'm working really hard to think of something as cheesy as Turn It Up, talking about volume for our order of operations, which is where we're going on Monday. But I am so glad you're here. We'll jump right on in and get started with a number talk today. So we've seen some dots, we've seen some eggs. Today's number talk is going to be about how many cupcakes there are. Without counting these cupcakes one by one, how many cupcakes are there? We'll see them on the next slide. When you have the answer, use the gesture below. We're not using these gestures just because we're now virtual and it's not live. But definitely share your thinking and put it in a chat. Pause the video when we show you the slide, and we'll go ahead and unpause the video whenever you have your thinking. Think of possibly 2 different ways you could get your solution. Here are our cupcakes. Awesome. Pause the video here, figure out how many cupcakes there are and how you figured it out. Awesome. I would love for you to share your thinking in a comment, in a discussion post, or tell me another way. But I know that there are 18 cupcakes. What I did was count the 4 across the top and the 5 on the side. I multiplied 4 times 5 to get the total number of cupcakes of 20. But then I saw there were 2 missing. So I subtracted that missing one up top and the missing one from the bottom from 20. So I did 20 minus 2, and I got 18. I can't wait to hear about your thinking. And see if we thought the same way, if we thought different ways. So please share your thinking in a comment or discussion post. Awesome. One thing I forgot to do was let you know that we have retakes available. In our class now, you'll notice a new folder down at the bottom of our class. It's this bright pink folder that says retakes. If you click on that, you'll start having retakes for all of our quizzes and any assignment that we do if you'd like to redo anything. But before you take a retake, please do the following 3 steps. 1, reread your notes for the lesson or reread the lesson. You can also rewatch a posted video lesson or look for other videos that might help explain it. Number 2, practice. Either work on the skill in IXL or ask Mr. Spencer for additional practice. Definitely ask me. You can also practice with flashcards depending on the material. And then 3, retake the quiz or redo the assignment. Remember, whatever grade is highest, whether it's the first grade or the second grade, the retake, the higher grade will be the grade that we keep. Definitely want to give you as many tries as you need and make sure that it works for you. Awesome. Well, today, as we're wrapping up our Turn It Up series on volume, we were playing a review Kahoot. Now, I know since we're not in person, you're like, how can I play a Kahoot? So, if you don't know, Kahoot is an interactive quiz game show, where you see questions on the board and then answer them on your own. Since we're not doing this live, you're watching this at a different time, there is this really cool new feature in Kahoot. There's a link down below this video, and if you click on that link, it will take you to our Kahoot. You can go through it at your own pace, answer the questions, and then it will send me your score. We'll see who has the highest score by the end of Tuesday, and we'll go ahead and call you the winner. So go ahead and click on that link below if you're in Schoology. If you're not in Schoology, get to our Friday page in Schoology, click on that link, and give it a shot. Awesome. The more answers you get correctly, the more points you get. I have not yet tried it out on my own, but I know it will work. If it works as well through this virtual school as it did during our classes today, you are in for a treat. Really fun way to practice our skills. It's all about volume with a few fun questions thrown in. Awesome. So once you play that, jump on in here and we'll carry on for the last little bit of our lesson today. So we'll wrap up today with some optimistic closure, reflection on today and reflection on this week. I want us to think about a new habit of a mathematician that you use this week. So take some time. Some things I have noticed us doing as a class is taking more time to think, working on how we explain our thinking to others. I've seen so many people explain things in new and unique ways. And also making sure we're double checking our work. Love those things. But I want to hear how you are using new habits of mathematicians this week. This is my friend Kate. She works in finance, so does a lot with numbers and money. So she's definitely a mathematician. But I want to hear what new habit you have started using that involves math and mathematicians this week. Post it in a comment or a discussion post. Can't wait to hear it, and I can't wait to see you next week. I hope you have an awesome day. Bye, y'all.